Your website might look great to humans, but right now AI assistants are reading it and getting confused. And when AI gets confused, it doesn't recommend you. Today I'm going to show you exactly what's confusing AI about your website and how to fix every single issue in 1 hour. Here's a number that should worry you. When we tested over 200 business websites, 73% had at least one critical issue that prevented AI assistants from understanding what they do. These aren't obscure technical problems. They're simple mistakes that take minutes to fix once you know what to look for. Section 1. How AI actually reads your website. This is the foundation for everything else. Google sends a crawler that follows links and indexes pages. AI assistants do something different. They read your website more like a human would. They look for clear answers to questions. Who is this business? What do they do? Where are they located? What makes them different? If your website doesn't answer these questions clearly and directly, AI moves on and recommends someone else. Section 2. The 5 website fixes that make AI recommend you. Let's go through each one with exact steps you can do today. Fix number 1. Rewrite your About page in plain language. Most About pages are full of marketing speak. We leverage cutting-edge solutions to drive transformative outcomes. AI reads that and has zero idea what you actually do. Instead, write something like, we're a family-owned plumbing company in Austin, Texas, serving residential customers since 2008. We specialize in emergency repairs, bathroom remodels, and water heater installations. That's what AI can understand and recommend. Look at the difference. The before version uses vague corporate language. Innovative solutions provider for modern enterprises. The after version is specific and clear. Denver-based accounting firm helping small businesses with tax planning, bookkeeping, and payroll since 2015. AI reads the after version and knows exactly when to recommend this business. Fix number 2. Add a FAQ section that matches real questions people ask AI. This is probably the highest impact change you can make. Go to ChatGPT right now and type, "What are the best questions to ask A?" and then your industry. Those questions are what people are actually asking AI about your type of business. Now, create a FAQ page on your website that answers those exact questions clearly and directly. For example, if you're a dentist, people ask AI, "How much do dental implants cost? Oh, but what's the difference between a crown and a veneer? How often should I get a dental cleaning?" Put those questions and clear, specific answers on your website. AI crawlers will find them and use your answers as source material when recommending dentists. Fix number 3. Add structured data markup to your website. This sounds technical, but it's actually straightforward. Schema markup is a special code that tells AI exactly what your business is. Your name, address, phone number, business type, hours, services, reviews, all in a format AI understands perfectly. Think of it as a machine-readable business card attached to your website. Here's the good news. You don't need to write code. Google has a free structured data markup helper at schema.google.com. Just select your business type, paste your URL, and it generates the code for you. Then copy that code into the head section of your website. If you use WordPress, plugins like Yoast SEO or Rank Math can add schema markup with just a few clicks. This takes about 10 minutes. Fix number 4. Create dedicated pages for each service you offer. This is where most small business websites fail. They list all their services on one page with a sentence or 2 for each. AI doesn't know which service you specialize in or which ones you're actually good at. Instead, create a separate page for each major service with detailed descriptions, pricing ranges, frequently asked questions, and real examples of your work. The ideal service page structure is a clear H1 title with the service name and your location, then a 2 to 3 paragraph description of the service, followed by who this service is for, then pricing or starting at ranges, then 3 to 5 frequently asked questions specific to that service, and finally a clear call to action. This structure gives AI everything it needs to recommend you when someone asks about that specific service. Fix number 5. Add clear location signals everywhere. AI assistants get more local queries than you might think. Best pizza near me. Recommend a plumber in Chicago. Top-rated dentist in Brooklyn. If your website doesn't clearly state where you operate, AI can't recommend you for local queries. And local queries are where the buying intent is highest. Add your city and state to your page titles, your meta descriptions, your footer, your about page, and your service pages. If you serve multiple areas, create location-specific landing pages. For example, plumbing services in North Austin and plumbing services in Round Rock. Embed a Google map on your contact page. Include your full address in structured data. These signals tell AI exactly where you operate so it can match you with local queries. Here's your 1-hour action plan, minutes 1 through 15. Rewrite your About page in plain, specific language, minutes 15 through 30. Add a FAQ section with 10 questions people actually ask AI about your industry. Minutes 30 through 40. Add schema markup using Google's free tool, minutes 40 through 50. Check that each service has its own page with the structure I showed you, minutes 50 through 60. Add location signals to your key pages. That's it. 1 hour, 5 fixes, and your website goes from confusing AI to being recommended by AI. Businesses that implement these 5 fixes see an average 40% improvement in AI visibility within 2 weeks. That's not a guess. We track this data at scope across hundreds of businesses. The ones that fix their website structure and content see measurable improvements in how often AI recommends them. Want to know exactly how your website scores right now? Go to scope.online and get your free AI visibility score in 30 seconds. It scans your website across ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and Google AI overviews, then shows you exactly what to fix. Link is in the description and pinned in the comments. If this was helpful, subscribe. We post a new AI visibility tip every single day. Next video, I'm testing which AI assistant recommends local businesses best. You won't want to miss the results.